Stephanie from F.A.S.T Limited again. If you see my 6-person kit regarding N95s, you'll love my black basic kit video. Today I'm going to show you where you can find them in this black basic kit. This kit is for one person. I usually keep this kit in my vehicle or at my front hall closet for quick getaway and emergencies. So inside your kit, first thing you'll see, toilet paper. Can't go wrong with toilet paper, especially in these times. Then you're going to take out all your little necessities, and your mask is usually at the very back of the kit. You see inside, it rests right behind the water and food. So in this kit, you only get one mask because it is for one person, but it is a 3M mask, N95, and it is yours to use. So don't forget to check your basic kits at home, in your car, closet, wherever you may keep them. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.